Hey guys, it's Tia Yasmin. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is one that I'm actually really excited about because the way that this nail set turned out was just so much better than I thought it would. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this set, here are all the materials that I used. First, I'm going in with a beige base coat. This is by, I don't know how to pronounce the brand, but I'll link it down below. Also, guys, I have a storefront now. I have an Amazon storefront. So you guys can go ahead and click the link down below and you can see all of my Amazon favorites, from nail charms to different tools to polishes and all of that. I'll be sure to link that down below and you guys can access that down there. Also, I do have affiliate links as well where you guys can save some money and also support me as I continue my nail journey. Once that base coat is evenly applied, I'm going to go in and make my French tips. You guys will also notice that I did about 2 or 3 layers on the thumb, index, and ring finger, and then on that pinky nail I just kept it pretty sheer because I'm going to put a design on top. I also went ahead and did the middle fingernail black, and that is going to be for a different design that I'll explain later on. I did not show how I did my French tips because I feel like I just, it's kind of boring. So just doing those French tips on those 3 nails and then whipping out my good old airbrush. I can also link this in my storefront too. I love this airbrush so much. It's very inexpensive and it was just something that I've gotten really used to using. I've gotten pretty good at it, so I'm really grateful that I was able to purchase this a few months ago. I'm just going to go in and make a kind of aura design and put it on each of the French tips, trying to avoid the base. And if you do get it on the base, then you can definitely use some alcohol and wipe it off before curing. So this middle fingernail is my absolute favorite. I'm going to be using the rhinestone glue from Macart. I'm going to go in and make some squiggly lines all over the nail. No perfect way to do this, just do it however you want. Once you've gotten your design, you're going to cure it and then add a layer of black polish on top. I'm going to go in with this chrome powder that I've gotten off Amazon. You're going to apply it really lightly, but making sure you're getting into all of those grooves and applying it on that black coat on like a tacky consistency. If it's too tacky, it's not going to spread, and if it's not tacky enough, then it's not going to apply. The last step to really pull this all together is going to be to put some charms on all of the nails. Once all of my charms are applied and cured, I'm then going to go in with my top coat, and I've learned my lesson. I'm just going to go ahead and do my top coat after I put on my charms from now. I feel like it just helps them stay more secure, and you don't have to necessarily go over them with that top coat just because you don't want it to be lumpy and bumpy. So this is my final result. I feel like the set just came out so elegant and nice, and it's just so pretty and elevated. Like, I really love how this all came out. If you guys are interested, be sure to shop my link down below so you can purchase this set for yourself. But that's all I have for you guys today, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!